Going online has changed the way we make our purchase. Big logistic plants we see along our highway are fundamental in the distribution of the products. In the construction of a logistic site, one of the most important parts is the industrial floor. My name is Marco Paparella and I'm glad to present Concrete Flooring Solution. Concrete Flooring Solution is the new MAPEI proposal for concrete industrial floor and is addressed to all the main figures that contribute in the realization of a concrete floor. General contractor, designer, flooring company, a combination of product and services for all the flooring realization steps.
Today, the technical standards and several guidelines consider industrial floors as structural elements, and that's why they need to be designed. We, as MAPEI, are able to provide technical assistance to the designer. With few simple data, we are able to provide a full structural calculation using fiber-reinforced concrete. Macrosynthetic fibers can be used in substitution of the traditional steel reinforcement. MAPEI is today the unique Italian producer of macrosynthetic fibers.
In our plant close to Modena, we produce all the macrosynthetic fiber for the line MAPEI Fibre.
With the Concrete Flooring Solution, we support our customer from the design to the job site.
We support the concrete supplier studying the correct leak design. We also provide technical assistance on site with our mobile concrete lab.
Superplasticizer, fibers, hardener and curing agent. MAPEI create system our solution for jointless floor, but especially the seriousness and the knowledge of MAPEI for all the key players in a flooring construction.